Hi, welcome back to my channel. We're continuing on the Greenery blanket here. And so here's a nice pretty pie wedge of the blanket, just a quarter of it. It is growing so fast now. It can't even fit in the frame. And we're working on today rounds 26, which starts with lavender. 27 is the green, 28 is the gray, 29 is the fuchsia, 30 is the purple, 31 is the pink, 32 is the blue, and then I have 33, which is the yellow. Okay, so as I said in previous videos, the double crochet round, which is what we're starting with today, round 26, is the best way to get back on track if you have lost track of what you're doing. So get back onto the proper stitch count for the stitch count and do it on the double crochet rounds. So this round, you will start with a double crochet in each of the next 5 stitches. So we started here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 2 double crochets in the next stitch, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 2. So the first one we're doing join with 1, then do 5 more, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then do double crochet in the next stitch. Then from then on in this round, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 2. Okay, so all the way around at the end of this round, however you need to get there, get to 204 double crochets. That's how I did it though, okay? And then I repeated double crochet in the next 6, double crochet in 2, double crochet in 7, double crochet in 6. I'm sorry, so it alternates double crochet in 7, double crochet in 2, double crochet in 6, double crochet in 2, double crochet in 7, double crochet in 2. Got it? So that you'll have a total of 204. However, you need to get there. Then on round 27, which is the green round, this is a very familiar round to you. It's single crochet in any stitch, chain 5, which makes this little loopy, skip 1 stitch, single crochet in the next, all the way around. So you'll have 102 chain 5 loops and 102 single crochet. Then the next round is single crochet round in the fuchsia. We are just single crocheting through the chain 5 loop and the stitch behind it, and then just the next available stitch. So all the way around the fuchsia, there'll be 204 single crochets. Now I'm going to interrupt for a little commercial because look at this. You all have loved this so much. Look, it matches perfectly. It disappears. It's like camouflage. It does. Look at that. How cool is that? So you have loved this pattern so much that on Amazon, I turned this into a book for you. So this little notebook is a paperback book. It's on Amazon and it's a little project book. So crochet project book. You can write in the name, the start date, the pattern, the yarn, the number of skeins. You can draw a little picture or attach a yarn label or draw a little sketch. And this little crochet journal is on Amazon. So check below in the description box and check the link for Amazon. And then when you get to Amazon, you do not pay any extra, but I do get a little bit of a kickback for every one that I sell. So go use my Amazon link for all your Amazon shopping. Thank you so much. And anything you choose to buy, I get a few cents back. But this one, you can find it by searching Crochet Journal Ellen Gormley, and you'll find this one. And this is the Greenery cover. So I just wanted to give you a quick update about that. I do have another crochet journal on Amazon right now. It's called Crochet Journal 2024, and it is a blank but lined journal. Okay, just notes and the date. So both of those are available. Please use my Amazon link in the description below to find those and to make them part of your collection. Okay, so after the fuchsia round, we are doing the purple round, and the purple round is double crochets. So it's like previous rounds, and this one we are actually joining with a double crochet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and then we are placing 2 double crochets. So I just want to double check that because I have it as a total of 216 stitches at the end of this round. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, my notes actually do say double crochet in 16 and then 2 double crochets in the next, double crochet in 16, so it's just that, do 16 and then increase, 16 and then increase for that one. And you'll end up with a total of 216 stitches. So yay for that. So remember, if you get off track, this double crochet round is where you get back on the horse and figure it out. So 216 stitches for the purple round. The pink round is just like what you've seen before. Single crochet, chain 5, single crochet, skip 1 stitch, single crochet in the next, and all the way around. The blue round is 2 trebles in each of the unused stitches behind the chain 5 loop. There's no chains in between, and you do that all the way around. So then round 33 is the last one for today. So round 33, I joined with a single crochet in the chain 5 loop and into the first treble crochet behind it. So then the next stitch is worked in just the double crochet without going through the chain 5 loop. Okay, so if you need a reference, we're going to be single crocheting under that chain 5 loop and into the treble crochet, which is the first one of the pair that are in the stitch underneath. So through all of that thickness, we are single crocheting, and then not in the chain 5 loop, but just in that second stitch of the pair, do a single crochet. Okay, so we're doing this all the way around. Go through the entire thickness and through the loop, and then just the second stitch of the blue pair. Okay, so there's a pair of treble crochets, blue treble crochets in each of the unused stitches. So in the pair, I'm talking about the first one of the pair and the second one. So the first one, we're going to go under the chain 5 loop and grab it and hold on to everything and single crochet. And then the second treble of the pair, we're just single crocheting. So we'll do that all the way around, and we'll be ready for round 34 on the next video. Have a great day, everyone. I hope to see you on the 5-Minute Crochet Podcast. Most weekday mornings, it varies the time, but a lot of times right before 8 a.m. on Tuesday, Thursday, and right before 9 a.m. on Monday, Wednesday, Friday. But it changes based on my work schedule. Take care. Have a great day. Bye. What are you going to get, buddy? What'd you pick? Did you get?